Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Medium. This moment I would like to continue my project about live tracking, but this module we will discuss about Flutter background service. Why you use Flutter background service? The answer is for always on. If don't use background service, so if there is a timeout maybe, or we have a message from another application impact our application not uh, not work immediately. Okay, so about the tracking live movement, this sender we will change to always on by using Flutter background service. Okay, this moment we will develop how to develop Flutter background service from zero. Okay, this is a live sender. This is we can use this send lat long with background service. It's mean always on because we want to use every lat long to monitor live tracking like on the right side. Okay, now we want to develop from zero to finish by using Flutter background service. Okay guys, how to use, how to develop this. Now we want to back to the script. Okay, now we close this, stop this. Okay, now close this application. Okay, a moment. Okay, now we go to PubDev. This one, Flutter background service, like this. Flutter background service. Okay, now Flutter background service, this one. Okay, 5.0.6. Okay, now we make a folder. Okay, now we create background service. We make this one background service 2. Okay, background service 2. Remember, we use this one. Okay, now we create. We create this one from zero. Okay, maybe this one we hide first. Okay, this one. Okay, finish. Now we open the project, larger Flutter. Background service to this one. This is a new project. Okay, maybe slow, yeah, but the project is running. Okay, guys, moment please. Okay, close folder first. Okay. One. One Flutter. Background service 2. Okay, select. Okay, this one. Okay, we don't need this one because this is a new project from Flutter. We don't need this one. We delete this, we erase. Too slow. Delete. Okay. Now we follow this instruction. Flutter background service 5.0.6. This one example. Okay. We copy this. And then we update my lat long, automatic send lat long every 5 seconds to this Flutter background service. We copy this, copy, paste to this one. Copy, okay, okay, paste, okay. Okay, now we start to update the script because this is so many error. Now we want to make this Flutter background service to install dependencies. This one, how to install this one? Copy these dependencies to our script. Copy to PubSpec. Okay, copy to this one. Okay, get package. Click this one. Okay, maybe we make this. We check this one. If there is something error, we can see on the back console or output this one. Okay. After that, we see again our script. This is a background service. We have copy dependencies and then this one. Device info, copy. Okay, maybe we see this one. Open a new page. Okay, copy this one. Device info plus. Click this one. How to install? Okay, copy this one. Copy to our script. Okay, get the package. Click this one. See if there is something error. The dependencies to my project we can see on the screen. Okay, after that we see again Flutter background service Android. Copy. Copy to this one. Okay. How to install this? Click here. Copy these dependencies to our project. Copy. Okay. What else? You can see this. Flutter notification. Copy this. Flutter notification. Flutter notification. Oh, Flutter local notification. This one. Click. Yeah. How to install? Click here. Copy this dependencies version. Copy to our pub spec. Get the package. Okay, maybe the last one. Where is it? Share preference. Copy this. Share preference. Okay, click here. And how to installing these dependencies? Copy these dependencies. Copy. Okay. Wait a moment. We see after this get the package finished, and then we back to the main dot. Where is the error? We must clean the error first before we start the project. Okay. Oh, so many error. Yeah, wait. Not finished. Get the package. Wait a moment, please. Why too long this one? Yeah, but it's okay, no problem. Finish? Oh, too long. Hmm. Maybe we can click here. Okay. Upgrade. Maybe we clean first, yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. We can see this one. We must use depend on my SDK version. We must change the device info plus to this version 9.1.2. 9.1.2. Where is it? Device info plus. Okay, this one. We can change this to this one. Okay. 9.1.2. Okay. 9.1.2. 9.1.2. Okay, after that, we get again the packet, the new package. It is okay. Not update, yeah. Maybe we take a few seconds to update this one. Okay, still running. Yeah, too slow if we use recording. Yeah, we use this one uh, to Femix to record our project. But if we live without recording, I think yeah more fast from this one. Okay, maybe a few seconds. This okay, finish. Exit code 0 because we have update these dependencies. Yes. Okay. Now we try to run this project. Okay. Now where is my virtual device? Okay. Okay. This one my virtual device. So now we want to run this project Flutter background service. After that, we add the send latitude and longitude. Okay, now we try to start debugging. See if there is something wrong on my project, we can see on the bug console here, and then we must update. Depend on our Flutter version and also our SDK version and so on. Yeah, we can see maybe from the Flutter Docker. Maybe after run this one, I can show to you my Flutter Docker. We can see some information from there. Okay, we must wait for a moment to run this project. We can see if there is something wrong here, and then we must update and we run again. This is how to develop Flutter background surface from zero to finish. Okay, never mind. We must stay tuned. Okay, this one we will see this process, and then we can follow again about this one Flutter background process. We must have also update manifest this one. Yeah, this one. We must add this one to our project. This permission. Okay, this one. After we see the result here, and then we update about Android manifest here. Android app source main Android manifest here. Okay. Okay, this one is still running. We wait until finish, and then we update the manifest permission. This one, we copy this. After finish this process, we copy to this one. Oh, this one too slow, yeah. Because while we develop this project by using Flutter, and also we must record, so the CPU maybe to, how to say that, to work more, because we must handle this process, Flutter process, and also handles recording process, this one. Okay, this task make the recording, and also make the process late. If we don't make a recording, maybe this one already finished. Okay, no problem. We wait until finish this, and then we update the project. Okay, we see the error. No problem, we must solve this error. Okay, the first one, we must copy this permission to Android manifest here. Okay, save this. And then we Flutter pub-get, we refresh, get the new dependencies. Okay, after that we run again, and oh sorry, we run must be on the script, not on XML. We run that script. Okay, this is information, new version about the package from the Dart, from the Flutter. Okay, now we run again, start debugging. We can see the process, the result. If there is something wrong, we can see this one. Maybe this special this project take a long time because we develop this Flutter background surface from zero to finish. Okay, you can see this process. Maybe SDK version we must change. This one. Compile SDK version to 34. Okay, we see this one. App build Gradle here. This one, compile SDK version. We can change to 34. Okay. And after that, we see again if there is something wrong again, maybe another version we must update depend on my Flutter. Okay, this is still running. We have changed the compile SDK version, and then after that we must change again. Yeah, depend on information from this debug console. After that we change the Kotlin. Okay, we see from this information, yeah, from the screen. Okay, we have information again. Oh, there is no information. Plugin. Oh, okay. We can run from we start again. We see the update. We clean first, and then pubget. Very slow. Sorry about that. Because my computer, it's too hard to run this project and also to handle this recording, mix recording. Okay, now we try start debugging again. After that, we see the error for updating here. After clear all the error, we have finished the background Flutter background service, and after that we must update the send lat long, latitude longitude. Okay, we see step by step, yeah, before we continue the next slide presentation. This one we can see next. We must change the version about the Kotlin, the last version. This is the initial script from the Flutter, yeah, how to make a background service. It means always on. Okay, we must wait a few seconds to finish this Flutter launching. And then we can see if there is something wrong here. And then we update and run again until finish, until clear the error. There is no error. It means the project is running well. Whoa. Too long, too slow this process, because we have this one background service running, but we cannot see on the Flutter screen or virtual device screen. Maybe if we switch to my smartphone directly, it's okay. You can see this one. Yeah, because uh, we don't use API. Maybe after we use the right API, it's okay because the API is script. Yeah, discrete, because uh, we just use this API. There is nobody to use my API because this is my API. We pay to Google account. Okay, maybe we stay okay. We can see the error. Maybe this is the last error. You can see this one. Okay. Okay, this one. This is the Kotlin actual version. We must change to this version. Okay, now we see the Kotlin. Okay, this is 1.7.10. 1.7.10, we must change to 1.8.22. Okay, we change this 1.8.22. Okay, save this. I think this is the last update before we make update about latitude and longitude. But on this moment, I want to show you uh, how the background service run immediately. Okay, now run again. Oh, too late. The result dependency. Okay, hurry up, please. Okay, this is Flutter pub update information. Yeah, to show us this is a new version, but we cannot use directly this is a new version. Depend on my SDK version, depend on my Flutter version. We must choose uh, depend on my Flutter, and also depend on my SDK version. We cannot change this one directly to new version. Okay. Okay, now we run again our project, start debugging. I think this is okay, there is no error. This is the first one for updating how to develop Flutter background service. We can see this one without the latitude and longitude, only this one. But we have finished to make this project run background service. How to see if how to check our project already running well on background service? Okay, after finish this one, I can show you, but we cannot show if we use the virtual device. We show directly on smartphone. Okay, I have captured the smartphone. Okay, maybe until this one running, we see about running service. Okay, if our project already a running service, we can see on this list. Yeah, yeah. We can see Android system, Bluetooth, so many Google service, Gmail, uh, WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on. If we see the list from the running service, it means our project already running on background service. Okay, this is how to check our project already running service. Okay, we wait until finish this project. Maybe this moment take a few seconds. Yeah, you can see from the back console here if there is something wrong. If there is something wrong, the result we cannot see on the screen. But if running well, this one there is no error. We can see the result here. It means our project running on background service already finished. And then after that, we must add or we must update the script to send latitude and longitude to our server like this. This one, live sender, send. We make every 5 seconds. This application will send data latitude and longitude to our server, database server here. If we don't use the background service, yeah, maybe sometime there is no data sent to the server because maybe there is a phone call, incoming phone call. There is we see on my WhatsApp or we play the uh, YouTube and so on, and maybe timeout. But if we use the background service, this one always wants to send the data every second. Yeah, depend on your project. Maybe in my project, we send this lat long to the server every 5 seconds. Okay, we see again until finish this one. If maybe, yeah, we say again, this is maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes because uh, my computer is not too fast. this computer handle this program and also handle this recording. It's to make this computer not work faster, slow slowly, because there is uh, some work to do on this project. Yeah, it's okay. We must wait until this uh, project finish. Wait, take a long time, but we must wait. Okay, maybe a few seconds more. This process already finished. Okay, this is um, mark or marker to show us the process will be finished a few seconds more. Yeah, take a long time. Sorry about that. Maybe if we use the desktop computer, the last the grid specification, I think this process will faster than now. Okay, hurry up please. Background service already on the debug console, but okay. We can see the result. Maybe a few seconds more. We can see the my screen virtual device. We have see this the result. Maybe wait a moment, please. Okay, after finish this one, we update the send the latitude longitude to the server. Okay. Set. Hello, hurry up please. Dun, 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 dun. Why white screen on my Flutter virtual device? Okay, finish guys. This is a service application will finish, already finished. Okay, this is a foreground mode, background mode, or stop service. Yeah. Okay, now my task is to update the function. Okay, we can see this one. We have add this. Okay, Flutter background service. Okay, this is stepping how to develop this one. Copy this. We already run. This is a change the SDK version 34. We already finished this one also. Kotlin, this version we have changed to the new version. This one already finished, and also this one finished. Okay, if we install this application to my smartphone, we can see on the service, running service, this one, background service 2, yeah. We have in my project, we can see this one, background service 2. We can see this background service 2, okay. Now, we want to send data lat long, we update from this one to database. Okay, how to do that? Because this one no recording. After we update, we can check the recording. Okay, now we stop here first. Stop this. Okay, now we make updating. Okay, click here, class. Where is the class? This one. Okay, we update to this one. Okay, this one. Now we use HTTP because we want to send this data to this one. Yeah, so we must add dependency here. HTTP. This one. Install. Take dependencies here. Copy. Paste back here. Okay. Get. And also after that we want to take a location here. Location where is the latitude and longitude, and then send here by using HTTP. Now we must add dependencies location. This one location. Click installing. Copy these dependencies. Okay. Get these packets. Click here. And or automatically, if we copy this dependency, this one automatically update. Okay, finish. Now we must copy this. Okay, location data, this one. We make the initiasi parameter. We make this one location data 2. Oh, not update yet. Yeah, okay. Because this one still red. Location. Yeah, maybe we wait this one until okay, until while this update. Okay, you can see this HTTP. We must change to this one because error. Yeah, we use this SDK version 3.3.0. This one we cannot use, so we downgrade to 1.21 point zero. Where is it? This one. One change from 1.2.1 to 1.2.0. Okay, we must update this. 0. Okay. Now update again this extension. Yeah, because my SDK version 3.3.0. Yeah, we don't use this one to hide. We must downgrade to this version. Okay, we must wait again. Okay, maybe. Oh, too long, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. To finish our project from zero, we take a long time because we cannot cut or up or modify our recording originally from zero to finish. Yeah. Or maybe next I just cut about my API, yeah, because this is a script. Oh, too long time. If you want to know my version, Flutter Doctor. I have mentioned before, but we cannot show to you. But now I show to you. This is my Flutter Doctor. Oh, why? What is that? Oh, just information Android SDK version 35 already, yeah. Android change. Some Android license. Okay. We must finish this problem first. This one, license. This one. To update this license. Okay, already finished this one, but I want to update this about the license. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, now we check again. Flutter Doctor. Okay, finish. No issue found. Okay, now we continue about my project. Oh, why this one? Red. undefined class location. Okay. Location. Undefined location. Right, moment please. Clean. I want to make a pub get. Okay, there is no error. Yep. Why? Location. Why this? Maybe next year. Okay. We must make a asynchronous function. Get coordinate location. Async. Where is the location? Moment please. Location. We have already this one. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Moment please. This one. We don't copy about import package to this one. Location and also Flutter. This is a location. How to install this one? We must copy this. Copy. And also HTTP. We want to use this one. We must copy installing this. Import this one. Copy. Okay. Here is the class. Okay. Finish error. Future void get coordinate location asynchronous. Okay, this one. Okay. Final. Location. Location. Get location. Why? Oh wait, expression can only use asynchronous function. This is asynchronous function. Oh, C without C. Okay, finish. If we want to know the location, we can print this. Print location data. Okay. Now we make a set state. So question data2 equals location data. Okay, finish. This is okay. This is initiasi location data 2. Okay, this is a function to get data latitude and longitude. If we run this project, and then we can see what is the latitude and longitude on this location. Okay, after that, we want to make a asynchronous function for send this data to the server. Okay, future, we make a function, asynchronous function. Insert and also update. This is a just name, coordinate location, async. Okay. This make a URL. Okay. This one is my hosting, http s mediumctompul.com. Okay, I make use this folder Google Maps. Google Maps, and also I make the name underscore send data live tracking on background service. On background service, or what else? Maybe we can see next, yeah. Where is the PHP? You can see the data. Okay. Now the first one, we declaration of variable or response. Wait, http:// URL, comma, body, why this one still red? Wait, http post this URL, undefined body here. Oh, yeah, this one, why this still red? Post. Can see this first, HTTP location. Oh, sorry. Where is the location? This one, two location. Oh my God, sorry about that. HTTP here, install. This one, HTTP. Copy. Oh, oh, why import E? Okay, sorry about that. HTTP. Okay, now you can see this one. Okay, finish. Okay, now we want to send about data latitude and longitude to server. Like this, lat. Okay, the lat make we receive from this one, location 2, location 2, location data 2. Underscore from this one, location data 2, this one, yeah, underscore location data 2. Now we want to take just latitude dot latitude. Okay. After that, we want to take longitude, ng dot underscore location data 2, location data 2 dot longitude. Okay. Now we want to send also about the username, ya, username. Username. Oh, yeah. The first one we make a hard code here. Hard code, maybe we use this one. Okay. After that, we make a widget. And then we make the name this one. Name one. Who is use the username? Use, oh, this one. Medium. Si tombol. Okay, finish. We must complete this data. Yeah, this function. Run this and then we check this one. Okay, mau this. Asynchronous function insert update coordinate location, and also this is a function for get coordinate location. This is sent to the backend to database. Okay, now we try to running again. Okay, where is the virtual device? Okay, this one. Okay, maybe this process will take about 1 minute. We wait until finish this process. We can see the result. The result will send from this front end Flutter, yeah, to the back end. This is the backend script, and then send to the database. Okay. Copy this. Okay, this is the backend. Okay, while this running, you can see the backend script. Where is the backend? I think this one, the backend. Okay. Send data live tracking on background running development, this one. Can you see this one? Okay. Please see this. The data will send to this table. Okay, on database. You can see the table. This is the table. Yeah, insert into, this is the table. T lat long history temporary. T lat long history temporary. We can see the result on this table. After finish this process, we can check the result. Okay, we wait this process. Okay, and while this process is running, yeah, I can show to you this one. Okay, this is we use Flutter background service. Okay, because we want to uh, always running, we change this function before to the background service, always on. Okay, this information we use just this only. We don't use this one because if you use this one, your script will error. Okay, this is the information about the version Flutter background service, and this is the right side. This is the information about this version. And then the background service we must use SDK version 34, and also this is the script for the Flutter. Okay, we can use this one. Moment, please. Finish. Okay, still running. Wait a moment. Why? The service still. What happened is. Why you can see this temporary table? Yeah, we have received the data here. Medium Sitompul, this is the latitude, this is longitude. Latitude and longitude, yeah, we can see from this one. But why this still? We can see, yeah, still not finished this one. What happened? Why still? This one, egg record or egg line, this one. If we refresh, so 20. Yeah. Okay, next I can see what happened in this uh, small script. Yeah. Okay, this script, this latitude and longitude come from here. Oh, yes, very slow. Sorry about that. Okay, maybe next, if you want to make a set the latitude and longitude, just click here and update where is your location here. Okay, this moment maybe our internet is too slow, so very slow this one. Okay, but this process we have finished because this temporary already at every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds we have at this 36 now, and then if we refresh again, data will be 37 and so on. Okay, guys, I think we this one we make just how to say that hard code, yeah. But next, you may change this function like this. Okay, a moment, please. Oh, too slow. Sorry about that. Like this. We can add this widget for username. This is for password. Okay. Now we have changed become 34. This is Kotlin. From here to here we have changed. And also if we use the smartphone, you can see the background service here. This is application run on the background service. Update the script. This is to get the latitude and longitude from GPS. This is asynchronous function or send this data to the backend script, to the database. Okay, you must this one change how long or how many time or not many time, how long you can send data to the server periodically. Maybe this one 5 seconds or 10 seconds, yeah, up to you. Okay, and then if you run before the finish, you must change default config to the minimum SDK version 21. Android manifest, you can add this. Yeah, we have already mentioned, and I have shown to you to add this script to your Android manifest. And also, you must add the API. The API is script, so I cannot show to you, but you can use API to Android manifest. Okay, guys, and if we have a function or application to detect or to check data lat long sent from the background service, yeah, this one. If we use the smartphone, we can see this one change every time. Okay, this one we can change to the background service. This is the previous sender. This is a new sender. Send the background service. Okay, thank you for times watching my video. If you have something today and you have a question, please ask on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.